Hey guys, Gamer here, and today we're gonna be playing some Plants vs Zombies Jardinals. Yeah. Um, Today we're gonna be to Jungle Estate. Um, Normal, public, so that people can join. And there's a secret I want to show you. I'm not sure, but it's like, and I'm 100% true. Well, I've seen it in some videos. I don't know if it's a mod or not. But yeah, I'm gonna try and see if I can find it. I think it is real, and I'm pretty sure I can't find it. I'm not gonna tell you guys, but I'm gonna try to find it. I'm gonna be a pea shooter, and I will be the toxic pea. Because the toxic pea is pretty cool. Yeah, not gonna play this that much, so I know. Alright, crazy day. Goodness, I'm gonna get. This is Zomboss Estate if you haven't seen it. It's a pretty cool map. Basically, like, where Dr. Zomboss is, the leader of all the zombies. I guess he lives here. I'm just guessing. Not sure. I'm just guessing. But if you go all the way to behind this giant castle, well, it's not really a castle, but just a giant place. Yeah, back here, there is something pretty amazing. Not sure it's true. I think it is. It's like right over here. It's close. You know, it's somewhere. Oh, it's there. There's a chomper. Yeah, there's a chomper eating someone. And do you guys see that? It's kind of like right there. I don't know if you guys can, but that chomper is eating someone from another horror game, and you guys know it. You have to find 8 pages, and there's this dude with a white head, and he tries and stops you, and yeah, if you guys don't know, go look it up. I'm just gonna tell you, it is Slenderman. I'm pretty sure there was just an update, so now he's just being chomped up. But there was actually like Slenderman, and he was just over there. He just stand there. He would just stand there and do nothing. It's not like he's gonna crash your game or anything. He just stands there. It's like an Easter egg. Plant a doom shroom there. A fume shroom there. Another fume shroom. A that kinda did. And another one of those guys. Freaking fire beat. Right. Let's get fighting, shall we? I'm gonna get all my ready. Oh my gosh, it's like a flinch. I can just one-shot like every normal zombie in like one hit. I killed them all, basically. They just die from that toxic too. They can come some damage though. Okay. Zombies. Here, zombies are down. Oh, I plan to do if you now the best character for Garnops, if you guys think it's if you guys think this is a sunflower, you're actually kind of wrong. I think it's the pea shooter. Oh my gosh, this is normal? I hardly believe that. Dude, he's ZPG's. He's ZPG's me. There's no way that's normal. Right. Already gotten 15 vanquishes. Doing quite fine. My plants are getting quite a lot of vanquishes. No, I think it's the pea shooter. Okay, here's some reasons. If you want to get lots of vanquishes, you get the chili bean bomb or sombrero bean bomb, and it attracts zombies. Normal ones, though, not like the, foot soldier ones. Yeah, I'm just gonna try my best on this. I'm gonna die, obviously, but I'm just gonna try my best. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Look at me. I'm seriously almost dead. Okay, I got one killed. They expect me to kill like 5 of these things. See, like, you can jump away from the people. You can, you have the P. Gatling, which is good for like the Carcanitar, the Yeti, and all that. And I just think he's the best. And if you're about to die, you can use Hyper, and you aren't even close. But yeah, I just think he's the best. And his reload isn't that bad. His speed, oh, awesome. Okay, I need a heal flower, like, badly. And I'm only at 22 health. These guys die. Goodness. I need a heal flower. Why did I not put a heal flower? Gosh. I hope I didn't shoot himself. Fortunately, some kind of kills. These are the worst, basically. See, that's just a torture chamber, basically. For them. Like the normal ones, or just one that's stuck. This dude's gonna try and kill me. He's not. He might. Yeah, he's gonna. I need to just run badly. There's an engineer. Like, yeah, the plant just died. Oh, thanks. Wish I'm sure. You'll fall, buddy. But I actually think it's better if you, like, just stay on top of his head. Don't know why did I do this? I need someone to come with. I seriously need to invite a friend. I'm gonna stay over here and invite a friend. Hey, Chopper, you wanna play? Oh, whatever. He's probably not gonna, anyways. I just forget. Oh, there's a wizard, obviously. So I can hear him. I can't believe I'm doing this by myself. This dude's also pretty good because the toxic lasts for a while. Which is good for like bosses that teleport, like this dude. And if you're like about to die, that's gonna help, like, quite a lot. No, my Doomshroom died. Where is he? He's over there. Okay, my garden's taking some damage. should just put it on easy. See? That is what I call awesome. The fusion is so OP. I did it. Do you not see what he does? If you haven't, then you're crazy. That dude has the aim of like a bird, kind of. That one. Gosh, I'm dead. Yeah. Nope, I had to use my self-revive. Help me, please. That's just unfair. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Saya. You're gonna be... gotta go with a heal flower. I need some major healing. I hope this guy helps. Let him die. I hope this guy helps. Doesn't he? Okay, that can be good for freezing. Not freezing. And then this dude can be good for killing. These ways are getting quite hard. They're killing my towers. Dudes. Look, dead. A dead dude. Not the type of thing I really want. Or a zombie that can teleport like whatever. I don't want some zombies that are like just normal burn clicks. Gosh, there's only a few and I'm still dying. Heal flower. See, this is actually pretty helpful. Wow. Oh, hello. I think I just killed by walking by. Guys, I'm so strong that when I walk near a zombie, they just die. So full fast. I need you on the I need you to do the job for me, right? Yeah, good. If you guys want me to do more gun ops and stuff like that, I will. Because I actually really like it. I really enjoy it. And this round is just going to be all like about me. My gosh, there's so many. There are so many dudes. You guys get the easy dudes and I'll get these hard dudes. I'll get the easy dudes. You guys get the hard dudes. Here's this. Awesome. If you guys didn't know, you guys probably didn't know this, but some of these characters have some like special abilities. Like serious special abilities. Like I'm not kidding. You can look it up. Like the coffin zombie, I think he has like a special like laser gun thing. Alien is like I'm not joking. It might not be the coffin zombie. Might be someone else. I'm not absolutely sure, but it's someone. Okay, you got it. These gotta be like. They can't be like the scientists and all that. They gotta be like easy. If they are, that just makes so much sense. I think they are. They are. What? That is so unfair. How do you expect to get away from an imp? It technically didn't hit me. It just blew me up a bit. It's still alive, right? This dude does quite a lot of damage too. So like, or Gargantua or something like that. He can just do like an 8 damage. you're dead. Heal flower, you're still alive. Thank goodness. Those flowers are doing pretty well, actually. No. Okay, that should do. Come on, give me some. Thanks. Come on, give me that plant, Les. Oh, he died. They both died. What? Okay. This is just another garden. Right. Let's get some stronger dudes in here, shall we? Like that dude. Oh, hi. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. So, yeah, but I'm a YouTuber, guys. You guys don't know if I'm a YouTuber. Alright, also, I guess while I'm doing this, just please check out my other videos, because I can real help. And if you guys see me, and, like, see yourself in a video, I can give you a shout out, and if you see yourself in a video, so like the video, subscribe, and share it, all that. But yeah, like this dude, if you watch my videos, thank you, because you're actually helping. Oh my gosh, 2 more people already joined. Oh, they might quit that because they're not the character. Okay, the engineer is dead. Someone else. You got that? Yeah. Why did I do that? Heal me, thank you. Alright, we got 2 Fisher, 1 Sunflower, and 1, Chomper. Hey guys, all you 3, guess what? I'm a YouTuber. And if you guys are in a video, and you guys see it, you guys are in luck. So I can give a shout out to you guys. Like, major shout outs. And this is the part where we all die. I only died once, guys. Once. Yeah, I'm not full health. Hey, that's good. That's okay. That's poop. You serious? You know, I'd expect some like real strong dudes from this, because Dr. Zombies is seriously right there. Couldn't you just send out like 1,000,000,000 zombies? Because they live right there. Oh my gosh. You can't hear. Oh my gosh, the game is lagging. I seriously. Oh my gosh, my plants are probably dying. So sadly. Die! I'm sorry if you really can't hear me or see me. What? I thought you died. You're dead. He's dead, right? Heal me! Bruh, bruh. Heal me! Thank you. Oh, go away. Just come. That's just sad. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm dead. I'm gonna die, guys. I need to heal. You're dead. You gotta be. He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh no, he's right there. Oh no, that patient is. We're all dead. Dude, we're all dead. Let's just get there. Yeah, this so far is dead. He's not dead yet. Well, that picture is dead. Okay, our sunflower is not dead. Where is he? Who got it? Okay, he's back. He's self-revive. Okay, we are almost got this. We have got this, guys. We still got it. Samson's coming. I believe I can fly. See, like, when you finish this last round, you can plant more dudes. Because they're not gonna, they're not gonna be bad. They're actually gonna help. No, I don't want this to happen. I must get there first. Hey, hey, no, hey, hey. I better plant that, mister. What? I'm already taking some damage, guys. Oh, thank you. You really need that. I got that tombstone, guys. I destroyed the tombstone. I have gotten a total of 109 vanquishes, guys. Well, chompers are also good for, you know, that game. Because, like, the electric chomper or, like, any chomper that breathes something out is, like, amazing. Okay, we need, like, a sombrero bean bomb or something down here, like, immediately. Seriously, we are, like, almost dead. That has to help us. Why aren't you going down here? Get him out. There's a zombie in here. Get him. Ooh, yes! We did it! Oh, thank goodness. I'm so glad I have teammates. Like, one would have been okay. But, you know, more the merrier. I only got 5,500 coins. That means if I got, like, the least, maybe? I always lose. So, yeah, I wish I could tell them that they were on YouTube. But, yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna do another part, but yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Share this video if you're 400, oh my gosh, 10. Share this video with your friends and family, that'd be amazing. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace.